So this is Euro Yen analysis for Thursday the 7th of June. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So we've seen price head up towards this 28.59, from which we have seen a rejection, pull back down towards this 128, found support, broke back above the 28.59, broke above the 129 and also the 129.45. So far we've seen a strong continuation here on the Euro Yen. We've headed all the way up towards this 130, traded slightly above the 129.95. Have posted a bit of a pin bar, but we are in a pretty strong trend here towards the upside more recently on the Euro Yen, from forming our lows in around the 24.65. We've seen a strong move here to the upside, so we've had a move beyond the 130, had a brief pullback, so we'll see whether we can hold above this 129.95. If we do see sell side momentum come back into the market, we're looking for a move down towards a 129.45, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards a 129. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, don't anticipate price moving beyond the 129, but if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, I expect 128.59 to be the far end of the range here to the downside. If, however, we do see the buy side momentum continuation here, we are looking at these are levels that we are looking at here to the upside. We're looking for a move back up towards that 130.60, from which we're looking for a move up towards that 130.94. And if there is sufficient volatility beyond that, we're looking for a move up towards that 131.70 here on the Euro Yen. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. On the daily chart of the Euro Yen, we can see we've had a V-shaped reversal, broken back above the 400 period moving average. The very next level of note here on the Euro Yen, I suppose, would be a move back above, let's just see where our highs are here. We had a few rejections in around that 131.40, 130 area. So in around this area, we have previously found resistance before seeing this sell side momentum come into the market. So from a daily chart perspective, 131.30, 131.40 would be the very next level that we are looking at from a daily chart perspective. Also bearing in mind in around the seeing how prices react around the 30.60. But ultimately we're looking for a move up beyond the 131 up towards that 131.30, 131.40. In around that zone there, we might find some rejection there, might see a bit of a pullback, put in an inverted head and shoulders, and see buy side momentum continuation to the upside. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.